OCR, Optical Character Reader or Recognition. It is used to read characters from a printed paper into the computer. The shape of the character is recognized by OCR through a light source in a conjunction with photoelectric cells. When a text page is scanned, it is converted into a computer-readable form and reproduced in a form that looks similar to a page that has been typed. The software then places the text into a document that can be edited using any word processor or text editor. OMR, Optical Mark Reader or Recognition. OMR is a device for capturing data formed by dark and light marks on specific positions on the paper. It is a special device that can detect marks made with ink or pencil. OMR requires a special printed paper that contains boxes or circles for shading. The shaded marks are translated into electrical signals based on the presence or absence of shaded marks. This format is used by various entrance examinations for marking objective type questions. The answer sheets are inserted into OMR for calculating the scores. It has great speed and the marking is error-free. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Reader or Recognition. MICR is primarily used by the banking industry to facilitate the processing of checks. This technology allows computers to read information such as account numbers from the printed documents. MICR characters are printed in special typefaces with a magnetic ink or toner, usually containing iron oxide. As a machine decodes the MICR text, it first magnetizes the characters in the plain surface of the paper. Then the characters are passed over an MICR read head, a device similar to the playback head of a tape recorder. As each character passes over the head, it produces a unique waveform that can easily be identified by the system. Unlike barcodes or similar technologies, MICR codes can easily be read by humans. Barcode reader. It is an input device used for reading barcode present on various products. A barcode is a combination of dark and light stripes. It is a computer-readable representation of information present in visual format. A barcode reader consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor for translating optical impulses into electrical signals. It is a very useful device for billing and inventory applications. Students note the fact file. Barcode printers are special hardware devices used for printing barcode stickers which can be pasted on any product. WASP and Barcode Pro are special softwares for scanning and printing barcodes. Joysticks. A joystick is an input device which allows the user to move an object on the screen. It is normally used in video parlors for playing games. It is a moving stick which rests on a base with some push buttons on it. In fact, the stick movements are similar to the gear of a car. The physical movements of the stick are sent to the computers as input to move the cursor or the object at different positions on the screen. This creates simulations in the game, making it exciting for the user. Microphone. It is an input device used to record and store voice or any other sounds into a computer, generally as a WAV file. It is also used for recording a narration in a PowerPoint presentation. Generally, it is used as a separate component for desktops, but can be seen as an integrated component in some laptops. You can notice a special port in these computers where a microphone can be connected. Microphone is commonly used in video conferencing, speech recognition programs, radio broadcasting, recording, and sound amplifying systems. Light pens. It is a light-sensitive pointing device commonly used to select or modify data on the screen. It allows the user to point on the displayed objects or draw on the screen. Its operation is similar to a touchscreen but has greater positional accuracy. It is easy to use and helpful for programs like Computer-Aided Design (CAD). Voice input devices, speech software. A voice input device allows the user to control the computer through voice command instead of using a keyboard. When the user speaks a command, his or her voice gets recorded. Then the computer compares the pattern of the recorded voice to a series of patterns that are stored in the computer. This collection of patterns is called a vocabulary. Some specific action corresponding to a particular matching pattern is then executed. Students note the fact file. This picture represents the speech recognition screensaver on the Toshiba laptop, in which the character responds to a set of questions. Digital camera. A digital camera is quite similar to a traditional camera that takes both video and still photographs, except for the fact that digital images can be used, viewed, and edited on a personal computer. We can also print the photos through a printer. It does not require film roll like a normal camera. Nowadays, mobile phones have inbuilt digital cameras. A webcam is also a kind of digital camera connected to a computer. It is used for video conferencing and online chatting. Webcam. Webcam is the short form of the web camera. It is a device primarily used to share a live image in a real time, to or through a computer in a network. Generally, a webcam is connected to your computer by a USB cable or built into computer hardware such as laptops. When sent to a remote location, the videos can be recorded, viewed, saved on your hard drive, or live streamed over the internet. A webcam is widely used in organizations for video conferencing. Alright, let us understand this through an activity. How to transfer an image from a digital camera to your computer. With the help of a USB data cable, attach the memory card reader of your digital camera to the USB slot located in your PC. Take out the memory card from your camera and place it into the memory card reader. Click on Start and then go to Computer. Open the memory card drive by double-clicking on it. Now you have access to all the images stored on the memory card. Select and copy the files that you want to transfer to your computer. Click on Start and open another window of Computer. Open the destination drive where you want to paste the images. Paste the copied images in the new folder. How to remove the flash drive. On the right end of the taskbar, you will find an icon that says Safely Remove Hardware and Eject Media. Left-click on this icon and you will see a drop-down. Click on the drive that you want to eject. Now you will get a pop-up on your screen which says that the USB mass storage device can now be safely removed from the computer. Pull out the USB cable of the memory card reader from the system.